welcome back once again to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are making oxtail stew. So these are the ingredients I'm using for today's recipe. As you can see, I've already prepped them. So I have my oxtail here, which I cooked, I seasoned, I cooked, and then I fried it. So you can see I have my fried oxtail here. I have my diced fresh tomatoes, my diced onions. Also, I have diced green bell pepper. I have the stock of the oxtail, that's my meat stock or broth. I have one plum tomato, which I blended. I also have my blended ingredients here, which are red, yellow bell peppers, ginger, garlic, onion, aniseed, rosemary, and scotch bonnet pepper. And I also have my sausage here. With the sausage, it's optional, you can choose to add or not. It's been a while my kids had sausage, so I decided to add to it. So with the sausage, as you can see, just to show you guys, this is the sausage I used. It's already smoked one, but then I went ahead to cook as well with my sausage. Regardless of it's been cooked or smoked, I always want to cook it one more time. So yeah, I cook it and I dice it to my preference. So that is it. And also I have my cooked and fried egg here. Yeah, so I'm going to add, all this. Yeah, I'm me the past, so I added the egg to it as well. So for us not to wait much time, let's start. Oh, but I forgot to show you guys, I have my seasoning as well. These are my spices I'm going to use, which I've got one Maggi cube, I've got crayfish stock, I also have nutmeg here. Yeah, so I'm going to use this. So as you can see, this is the oil I use for my meat and my egg to fry them. Yeah, so I'm going to use 3/4 of my diced onion for the base. Since I've already prepped all my ingredients, I'm not going to spend much time. Next to go in is my blended ingredients. I'm going to leave it to cook through for about 7 to 10 minutes so it dries. Then I add the rest of the ingredients. Next, I will add my blended tomato and leave that as well for 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry. Now I will add my spices. Now add my diced fresh tomatoes. I want my vegetable to be a bit crunchy, so I'm going to leave it to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Then I add my meat. Now I'll add my sausage. Also my meat. The egg will be last. It's ready. I'm coming to add the egg and then that's it. These two, A chihuahua. I've made up my mind to go this way. I said, yo, our stew is ready. I'm coming to eat with plain rice. So that's our stew, ready and popping. Looking delish, and it tastes, oh my, heavenly. You are invited, okay? Our oxtail stew is ready, looking yummy, tastes delicious. I hope you make it a try. Please do, you will love it. I'll see you in my next. I love you all, but always remember, God loves you more.